Guy here, coming to you live from the Latitude Resorts car park, as you can see up here at the car hire. I don't really need to tell you the weather. Have a look. Say no more, say no more. It's an absolute cracking day today. I thought it was going to stay a little bit windy for a few days. There's a bit of breeze. You can see the palm tree moving a little bit, but I was down on the beach this morning doing some training. I'll get you around to that one. And it was absolutely dead flat. It's a magnificent day here today. On the tide front, we have my phone playing up. That's perfect. I'll tell you exactly when it comes back on. But we're aiming for a top of 28 today, currently 24 degrees. Humidity's not too bad today at all. It's only 54%. So a beautiful day, perfect for just about anything at the moment. Low tide is at 11:49 a.m. this morning at 0.6 of a metre. High tide at 6:27 p.m. at 2.7 of a metre. So as I said, you don't get better than this. This is perfect weather, perfect conditions, a little bit of breeze just to keep things nice and cool. Absolutely ideal. Why was I down the beach? We have a big triathlon coming up, folks, and I know most of you that watch this know all about it anyway. The Port Douglas long course half iron distance, long course half iron distance. Who knows what the hell it is? We're changing it every 5 minutes. I can tell you now, categorically, it will be a half iron distance. For those of you who don't know what that means, 2 kilometre swim, 1.9 kilometre swim, 90k bike ride, and a 21.1 kilometre run, including the nice hills at the back of the beach. Everyone loves that, especially in the heat of the day. And we don't start it till 11 a.m. just to make it nice and hot, just when the wind picks up, make it nasty out there. I don't know why I do that, because I'm the most unfit person starting that race. I can safely guarantee that. So I'll be the one that hurts the most and probably out there the longest. But hey, it's all for fun, isn't it? That's what they say. What's the difference between a rectal thermometer and an oral thermometer? The taste.